All right, so we have some large patches in this kitchen. We have a large patch all around here, and a large patch right here, and we have a giant patch up there. Now, I don't know if you've ever patched a large area. Sometimes after you paint it, even if you prime it, you can see the patch through all the paint. And the reason why is the texture is different. So the old wall will be like kind of like orange peel, and a new wall will be nice and flat because you sanded it, you made it nice and flat and perfect. Now that's good, but it's also bad. It's bad because you can clearly see the patch. So what I'm gonna try to do to combat that is I'm pre-priming all the patch with a 1/2 inch roller, okay? So I'm gonna do it with a 1/2 inch roller, which is more than what you would normally do. Usually you use like a 3/8 roller. This is a 1/2 inch, and the idea is that that's gonna add some texture to the patch, okay? Then we'll go over the entire area with a good primer, like a 1-2-3 Zinsser product, okay? Now this will blend everything together. Then we'll do our 2 coats of paint, and that patch should be gone, okay? So go get yourself a 1/2 inch roller, do your pre-priming with this, then switch to your 3/8 roller, do all your priming, then your primary primer, your 1 coat of primer, then do your 2 coats of paint, and that patch will be gone. Like Family DIY TV. Like and subscribe.